The U-Boat Works Nemo is a revolutionary personal submarine designed to bring deep-sea exploration to a new level of accessibility and luxury. Compact, lightweight, and highly advanced, the Nemo is engineered for adventure enthusiasts who want to experience the ocean like never before. With seating for 1 or 2 passengers, it features a panoramic acrylic dome that offers breathtaking 360-degree views of the underwater world. Powered by state-of-the-art battery systems, it ensures silent and eco-friendly operation while diving to depths of up to 100 meters. Its intuitive controls make piloting simple, even for beginners, supported by innovative safety features that meet professional standards. Whether deployed from a yacht or launched from shore, the Nemo combines sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched safety, redefining personal marine exploration. It is not just a submarine. It is a gateway to discovering the mysteries of the deep. The Griffin Hoverwork 12,000 TD is a state-of-the-art hovercraft designed for heavy-duty operations across the most challenging terrains. Engineered to deliver exceptional performance, it can carry up to 12 tons of payload while gliding effortlessly over land, water, mud, and ice, making it indispensable for military, rescue, and industrial missions. Powered by advanced diesel engines, the 12,000 TD achieves remarkable fuel efficiency and reliability, while its robust skirt and lift system ensures smooth travel over diverse surfaces. With a spacious deck layout, it can transport vehicles, cargo, or large groups of personnel, adapting seamlessly to mission requirements. The craft's advanced navigation and safety systems guarantee precision and control in extreme conditions. Combining durability, versatility, and cutting-edge technology, the Griffin Hoverwork 12,000 TD is more than just a transport solution. It is a proven workhorse for demanding operations where conventional vehicles cannot go. The JetShark Q is a revolutionary semi-submersible watercraft that combines the thrill of a jet ski with the innovation of a mini submarine. Designed for ultimate adventure seekers, it allows riders to glide across the water's surface at high speed, then dive beneath the waves for an exhilarating underwater experience. Powered by a high-performance engine, the JetShark Q offers agility, speed, and stability, making it both exciting and safe. Its sleek aerodynamic design not only enhances performance, but also delivers a futuristic look that turns heads everywhere. Built with advanced safety systems and a reinforced cockpit, it ensures riders can enjoy the thrill with peace of mind. Whether for leisure, extreme sports, or unique water exploration, the JetShark Q redefines personal watercraft by blending power, innovation, and excitement. It's not just a ride. It's a one-of-a-kind aquatic adventure machine. The Seacart 335 is a groundbreaking hybrid watercraft that merges the excitement of a jet ski with the comfort and stability of a rigid inflatable boat. Compact yet powerful, it delivers thrilling speeds while ensuring excellent maneuverability, making it perfect for both adrenaline seekers and families who want safe fun on the water. With seating for up to 5 people, the Seacart 335 offers a unique social experience rarely found in high-performance water toys. Its ergonomic design, premium materials, and advanced safety features provide confidence and style in every ride. Whether used for coastal cruising, water sports, or resort activities, the Seacart 335 redefines aquatic leisure with its versatility, speed, and luxurious comfort. Designed for both private owners and professional operators, it's the ultimate combination of fun, functionality, and innovation on the open sea. The Schiller Water Bike is an innovative fusion of cycling and water sports, offering a thrilling yet eco-friendly way to explore lakes, rivers, and oceans. Engineered with precision, It combines lightweight marine-grade materials with a sleek design that ensures stability, speed, and safety on the water. Riders pedal just like a traditional bicycle, but instead of wheels, the bike is mounted on pontoons that glide smoothly across the surface. Its intuitive setup makes it easy to assemble, transport, and store, while advanced gearing allows for efficient pedaling even against currents. The Schiller water bike is perfect for fitness enthusiasts, adventurers, and leisure seekers who want a unique aquatic experience. Whether for solo rides, group activities, or water-based workouts, it delivers fun, sustainability, and performance. Stylish and versatile, this bike redefines cycling by taking it off the road and onto the water, opening up endless opportunities for adventure. The Candela P12 is a groundbreaking electric hydrofoil ferry that is redefining the future of sustainable water transport. Designed in Sweden, it uses advanced hydrofoil technology to lift its hull above the surface, drastically reducing drag and enabling smooth, quiet, and energy-efficient travel. Powered entirely by electricity, the P12 offers zero emissions while achieving impressive speeds and extended range, making it a true game-changer for urban waterways and coastal travel. Its intelligent flight control system automatically adjusts the foils for stability, ensuring passengers enjoy a smooth ride even in rough waters. With a sleek Scandinavian design and spacious interior, it blends comfort, innovation, and performance in one futuristic vessel. The Candela P12 is more than just a ferry. It's a symbol of clean technology, efficiency, and a bold step toward transforming maritime mobility into a greener and faster experience for the modern world. The Deep Flight Personal Submarine represents the pinnacle of underwater innovation, offering explorers a safe, thrilling, and luxurious way to experience the ocean's hidden world. Unlike traditional submersibles, deep flight subs are designed like underwater aircraft, using wings and advanced buoyancy systems to fly beneath the waves with agility and grace. Compact and lightweight, they are engineered for personal ownership, superyacht integration, and eco-friendly marine exploration. With cutting-edge safety features such as positive buoyancy and intuitive controls, even non-experts can pilot them with confidence. The bubble canopy provides panoramic 360° views, immersing passengers in the beauty of marine life, coral reefs, and the deep blue. Combining aerospace engineering with marine technology, deep-flight submarines deliver an unmatched sense of adventure while maintaining zero impact on delicate underwater ecosystems. This extraordinary innovation redefines personal ocean exploration, turning the dream of flying underwater into a breathtaking reality. The Platypus Craft Submarine is a revolutionary hybrid watercraft that combines the thrill of speed on the surface with the wonder of underwater exploration. Unlike traditional boats or subs, this innovative craft allows riders to cruise above the waves and then seamlessly dive just below the surface, offering a unique semi-submersible experience. Its open cockpit design gives passengers direct contact with the ocean environment, making it ideal for marine adventures, ecotourism, and recreational exploration. Built with advanced materials, the Platypus is lightweight, efficient, and easy to operate while prioritizing safety and comfort. With the ability to glide underwater without heavy diving gear, users enjoy breathtaking encounters with marine life in their natural habitat. By merging sport, leisure, and cutting-edge engineering, the Platypus Craft Submarine opens a new chapter in ocean exploration, transforming every ride into an extraordinary journey between two worlds above and below the sea. The Diver Propulsion Craft, DPC, is a cutting-edge underwater vehicle designed to extend the range, speed, and efficiency of divers during marine operations. Engineered for both military and recreational use, it enables divers to travel swiftly beneath the surface while conserving energy and air supply. Its hydrodynamic design ensures smooth maneuverability, while advanced propulsion systems deliver impressive underwater performance. Built with durable, lightweight materials, the DPC can operate in challenging marine environments, making it ideal for search and rescue missions, covert military operations, or underwater exploration. Equipped with intuitive controls and modern navigation aids, it offers both safety and precision, even at greater depths. By reducing physical strain and extending dive times, the diver propulsion craft revolutionizes how divers interact with the underwater world. It is not just a tool, but a game-changing innovation that bridges human capability with advanced marine technology, redefining underwater mobility and exploration. The Yamaha Waverunner FX Cruiser SVHO stands as one of the most advanced personal watercrafts ever built, combining luxury, comfort, and extreme performance. Powered by Yamaha's Super Vortex high-output SVHO engine, it delivers breathtaking acceleration and top speeds, making every ride an adrenaline-packed experience. Its lightweight Nano XL2 hull ensures agility and stability, even in rough waters, while the spacious cruiser seat offers unmatched comfort for long-distance rides. Featuring Yamaha's Ride dual-throttle control system, it provides effortless handling and precise maneuverability for riders of all skill levels. Advanced features like a touchscreen Connex display, customizable drive controls, and generous storage space elevate convenience and VTS. Adjustable handlebars and step wedges make it perfect for wheelies, spins, and freestyle moves that turn heads on the water. The bold design and vibrant colors enhance its sporty personality, while easy handling makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced riders. Despite its compact size, the Spark Trixix offers comfort, stability, and endless excitement, proving that big fun can come in a small package. It's not just a watercraft, it's a ticket to pushing limits and enjoying unforgettable adventures. The Shadow 6 Typhoon is a groundbreaking hybrid watercraft that blends the power of an ATV with the thrill of a jet ski, delivering unmatched performance on both land and water. Engineered with a twin-hull catamaran design and powered by dual Yamaha G-Pone 1000 800R jet engines, it produces over 800 horsepower, giving riders an adrenaline-packed experience. Its reinforced suspension system and aggressive tires allow it to conquer rough terrain, while seamlessly transitioning to glide across waves with incredible stability. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum and carbon fiber, the Typhoon balances strength with lightweight efficiency, ensuring durability in extreme conditions. This machine is not just about speed, but about redefining adventure, offering riders the freedom to explore terrains no other vehicle dares to tackle. With futuristic styling, raw power, and unmatched versatility, the Shadow 6 Typhoon stands as the ultimate expression of innovation for thrill seekers who crave excitement both on and off the water. The Audi e-tron foil represents the future of personal water mobility, combining elegance, innovation, and sustainability in one cutting-edge design. This electric hydrofoil surfboard lets riders glide silently above the water's surface, powered by a high-performance electric motor and advanced battery system that ensures a smooth, eco-friendly ride. With a hydrofoil wing system, it reduces drag and delivers an effortless floating sensation, making it feel like flying over the waves. Crafted with lightweight carbon fiber and premium materials, the e-tron foil offers exceptional durability and agility. Its intuitive controls and stable design make it accessible for beginners, while its powerful performance thrills experienced riders. Backed by Audi's engineering excellence, this watercraft redefines luxury leisure, blending speed, silence, and sustainability. The Audi e-tron foil isn't just a board. It's a statement of innovation for those who seek adventure without compromising on environmental responsibility. The Harris Pontoon Boats V270 is a masterpiece of luxury and performance on the water, designed for those who demand style, comfort, and innovation. This premium pontoon boat combines elegant craftsmanship with advanced marine technology, creating an unforgettable cruising experience. The V270 features spacious seating with plush upholstery, smart storage solutions, and a beautifully designed helm that ensures effortless control. Its powerful outboard engine delivers smooth performance, while the precision-engineered hull provides stability and confidence in various water conditions. Equipped with modern amenities like a full galley, entertainment systems, and customizable layouts, it transforms every trip into a first-class experience. Whether for entertaining guests, family adventures, or quiet escapes, the Harris V270 redefines what a pontoon boat can be, blending sophistication, versatility, and reliability. It's not just a boat, it's a floating retreat built to elevate every moment on the water. The crossover houseboat is a revolutionary concept that blends the freedom of boating with the comfort of a luxury home, creating the perfect balance between adventure and relaxation. Designed with versatility in mind, it offers spacious living quarters, modern kitchens, cozy bedrooms, and panoramic lounges that make life on the water feel as comfortable as being on land. Built with innovative engineering, the crossover houseboat provides smooth navigation and stability, whether cruising across calm lakes or anchoring at scenic coastlines. Its smart design integrates eco-friendly technologies and efficient power systems, ensuring sustainability without compromising performance. With stylish interiors, generous deck spaces, and seamless indoor-outdoor flow, it becomes the ultimate floating retreat for families, travelers, or anyone seeking a unique lifestyle experience. The crossover houseboat redefines leisure boating, offering not just transportation, but a home on the water where unforgettable memories are made every day. The Chaparral 21 SSI is a premium bow rider that perfectly blends sporty performance with luxurious comfort, making it an ideal choice for family adventures and water sport enthusiasts. Measuring 21 feet, this boat offers a sleek design with bold lines and an aggressive stance that stands out on the water. Powered by a high-performance engine, it delivers impressive speed, agility, and stability, ensuring smooth handling even at higher speeds. Inside, the Chaparral 21 SSI features spacious seating, plush upholstery, and smart storage solutions, providing both comfort and practicality. Its premium sound system, swim platform, and easy boarding ladder enhance the recreational experience, whether cruising, skiing, or relaxing by the shoreline. Built with Chaparral's renowned attention to detail and durability, the 21 SSI guarantees reliability and style. With its combination of innovation, performance, and elegance, this boat sets a high standard in the sport boat category, delivering unforgettable moments on every outing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.